Welcome back, folks. This is Anthony in my YouTube video. It's about in front of my garage door. But anyways, I got a fun video today for you folks. It's one of my favorite types. Well, I'm going to show you some very cool, three cool upgrades you can do to your older style Honda snowblower. And there's one for your new style Honda. They're cheap. They're easy to do. You don't need a mechanic to have to do these, and they're very anybody can do them. This is it's fast and easy, and it's affordable. And at the end of the video, I'll post a link to another one, so with more upgrades, my 7 favorite upgrades you can do to a Honda. Now you see that red box in this corner over here. Click subscribe if you think any of these videos help you save money, on do-it-yourself repairs and maintenance. So let's get to this first one. It's the cheapest and the easiest one. Here's your shooter control. Now, I'm not going to do close-ups on these, but you should see what I'm talking about. That you can do if it doesn't have the plastic clip in there, it's always rattling and making noise. And a lot of owners will complain that the chute will not stay in the position, the handle will not stay in the position that you leave it. So a really easy upgrade we can do is installing a grommet. Now, this comes off easily. Where did I put my grommet? Oh, here it is, right here. This is with the piece off of the shooter control, and this what's got the new grommet in it. It's easy to take this piece off. All you have to do is twist and pull at the same time, and this will come off. And then you can pull this off. Remember, it goes on this way, okay? You get the grommet. Now, you can get the grommet at most hardware stores. I wrote down the dimensions. I'll put a in the description of the video. I'll put the dimensions of this, and I will put links to all these products that I'm using today. I only put links to products that I recommend, that I use personally. I've bought at least 2 dozen of these LED lamps. I bought several tachometers, and I bought probably 50 of these grommets. I wrote it down. The outside diameter is 1 1/8 inch. Inside diameter is 5/8 of an inch. Thickness is 5/16 of an inch. The groove diameter is 7/8 of an inch, and the width of the groove is 1/16. Well, I'll put that in the description so it's easier. I used to pay 89 cents for these at Ace Hardware. I think they're $1.69 now, but I buy 10 at a time, so I get a better price. You might be able to get these online. I'm not sure, but most hardware stores will have these. So once you get it, it's easy to stick in there. And then I put a little bit of lubricating oil on here, and I stick it back on. And it's easy to take off. It's only that one bolt that holds it to the handlebars, okay? And then once you've got this, you don't have to remove this. I just took the stuff off. Here's my custom Honda. That's a Honda 828 that I customized. I powder coated the bucket. I love to make custom Hondas, all different colors: gold, yellow, black, brown, silver. I made one silver and black for a Raiders fan, and I made one for my son, a 49ers fan, and I made it red and gold. I made a Patriots. I'm a Patriots fan, as you guys all know. Blue and silver for the Patriots, and I just like making them that way. It's a fun hobby. So, anyways, You don't have to take this stuff off. Something like this takes about 5 minutes to do, and it's less than $2. So that's your first upgrade. The second upgrade would be your LED lamp. If you have this type of light housing, I don't know if you can see this one over here. That's got a halogen light lamp in it, like this. Can you see the difference between the two? This is much brighter. It's LED. You don't have to do any modifications. It's plug and play, and it's very easy to change out. Now, people are always asking me, how do you get this out? It's in there tight. If it's warmer, it's easier. So I have a heat gun, and I'll heat up this rubber. Or you can use a hair dryer. Most people have a hair dryer. You can warm it up, or if you've got a heated garage. And then I use a couple screwdrivers, and I just pry it out a little bit. You have to be careful. You don't want to break the old lamp. So I just pry it out like you would, if you're changing a tube in a bicycle tire. You got those little, I don't know what they're called, the little spoon things. You can use those too. So you bring it out, and then all you have to do is attach the wire, the ends, to the lamp. Some of the ends will just slide on, like this one. It just slides on the end here. Or sometimes you have to loosen the Phillips head screw and place it in there, and then you just push it in. You once you've got the both leads on there, you just push it in, and that only takes a few minutes. I think this lamp was like $12. If you got a lot of Hondas, or you're running a shop or whatever, and you want to do this upgrade or offer this upgrade to your clients, I've bought 6 at a time for a better price, or 10 at a time for a better price. But this is a pretty easy upgrade. You get a much brighter light, and it only takes a few minutes to do. The last upgrade is for your tachometer. Now, this is called a hardline tachometer. It's one of the better ones. I think it's on sale right now for $27. Or you can use a cheaper version, the square ones. I've got several of those too. I think they're about $12. They come with a lead that you wrap around the spark plug wire. Now, to me, that's a lot of wasted time. And if you have, most people have a lot of small engines equipment. So they have snowblowers, lawnmowers, generators, wood splitters, pressure washers, or whatever. It's a good idea to know what your RPMs are, especially at wide open throttle, called WOT, wide open throttle. You want to be able to check your idle and your wide open throttle, and you can make adjustments fairly easy. Now, what I did was I got these clips, alligator clips, and I just put it on the end of the wire. So all I have to do is just clip it on the spark plug wire, and then I can get a reading. Okay, so they come in a 2-pack. I'll put a link for it. They're really easy to put the wire on. Just put this over the wire like this. Put the wire through here. There's a little place where you put the wire through, and then take some pliers and clamp down the wire. You don't have to splice the wire. It goes through induction. So then when you're done, then you just stick your cover back on, and then you're good to go. So this is pretty easy too. I think these clips are about $6, on the link that I provide. There's actually a square tachometer. I think it's $15 or $16 that already comes with the clip on it. So I'll post a link to that too. So these are 3 really easy upgrades you can do to your Honda. They're affordable, and they're easy to do. Anybody can do them. And usually I post these videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. This one is going to be on a Saturday because the Super Bowl's tomorrow. I'm not watching it. I'm not going to tell you why. You know, I've been watching football for 60 years and I'm not watching this one. So we're jumping in the car and we're going to take a ride around fabulous Lake Tahoe. So I'm hoping that this video saved you a bunch of money. It makes your Honda better and easy to do. And if you like it, please subscribe and like the videos and join the channel and join the Facebook group, Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.